getting to know the learning environment, features and facilities. So we will try to do these things. First thing is to understand how it appears, the page. The front page is the page which you can see when you log in. For example, now if I click the AgriVLV, this link, I will be taken to, this is the starting page. This is the starting page when I log in into the system. Where my face image, my name appears, and then on this side, left side, there is a menu which called the dashboard is this page. Site terms, site pages, and things like that. The middle column contains the latest information, a kind of messages posted at the faculty level will be listed here. Now this is the what call, and again the other users. But if you really want to, now this is your personal page, but if you really want to access the real site home, if you click this one, it will be taken to the page which you observe before you log in. Now for example, these are the messages posted at the faculty level, and also there you can see the menu structure, something similar to this, and little introduction, and this calendar. Later I'll explain. The calendar describe the different things. For example, if you have an assignments, activities, submissions, deadlines, those things you can find from the calendar. And if you come down this environment, you will be able to see some, if you are following a course or if you are teaching a course, my courses. Now this one is the course which I have created for this workshop, VLE orientation for the students. Now yesterday second years had a chance to do this, participate in this workshop, so they followed the course. And if you click this miscellaneous link, you will be able to see this course, VLE orientation for the student. So please go to that one and click this link, VLE orientation for the students. Yeah, so you should be able to see the my course for this workshop, where I have the title, some welcome message, welcome to the orientation course on the VLE, and this will help you to know facilities, services in the system. So little introduction about the course. And if you come little bit below, there was the very first thing what you will see here, was the news forum. Now this is a forum where if I want to send in a message to all the participants in the course, I can use this forum. So if you have updated your email address, you will be able to receive the message also. In addition to that, anytime you can see the messages I have posted about the course. So this is the message I sent yesterday. So today I am sending another one. Is the one called, okay, now I'll put it, the first workshop on 14th for first years. Welcome. Let's start the workshop activities. So if I want to cancel something in my lectures, I usually do this one. So every student, they don't want to waste their time. And if I want to send the message immediately, sometimes I can click mail now and set the post forum. In a few seconds, maybe 30 seconds, you should be able to receive the email message. And in some cases we have even connected to the SMS, but in this system it's only the message. That's the news forum. So keep in mind, news forum is the forum for teachers to send messages to you. Okay, you cannot send messages on behalf of the teacher. You are a student. You are all in the virtual learning environment in the courses student. This forum only for the teacher to send the messages. If you wanted to send the messages to your friends, there is a way. I will tell you in a few seconds. Okay, so after that, what you will see, kind of in a way now. Now, how I am really going to do this workshop today, I have created a structure. Now, first is I have put in a file, Introduction to VLE and E-Learning. That's the few slides which you show about the LMS, Moodle and online education and things like that. Those slides are there. So if you want to download, you can download that file, or how VLE works and what is e-learning. That part is there. Update your profile to get to know. This is the second activity which I am doing now. So after that I'll explain you other activities, learning resources. And then I talk about the interactive learning activities. And then you will be able to see kind of a discussion forum, chat rooms, and there is a small test which you can do it called the quiz, which comes below. And that's after that one there is an assignment here you can upload, and at the end you can find out your grade of your course today, and finally you can provide a feedback whether you like this workshop or not. So this is the kind of a structure. Now, update the profile one. You can see get to know learning environment. These slides which you can see on the other side, you can download that one. So if you click this thing, and also the instructions are given here for your information if you have a problem which you cannot solve yourself. So I move into the second section then. Now the structure what I just show you is a structure based on the topics which I am going to talk today in the workshop. So some lecturers, they do the semester course based on the topics, maybe in the syllabus. They may have 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 number of topics. So their whole lecture series, the lecture series will be based on the topics. So they may create their course structure based on the topic. There are some other lecturers who will conduct their courses on a weekly basis. Rather than a topic, they have some work done in the first week, second week, third week. How many weeks in the semester? 15 weeks. So like that there will be 15 sections. So every week the slides, whatever the material given, activities, assignments, that's given in a kind of a weekly structure. So different courses may have different structures, and that depends on the teacher's preference.